Live life when you have it. Life is a splendid gift, there is nothing small about it. I attribute my success to this. I never gave or took an excuse. To understand God's thoughts, we must study statistics, for these are the measure of His purpose. Woman has nothing but her affections, and this makes her at once more loving and less loved. I must strive to see only God in my friends, and God in my cats. Rather, 10 times, die in the surf, heralding the way to a new world, than stand idly on the shore. Were there none who were discontented with what they have, the world would never reach anything better. Nursing is a progressive art such that to stand still is to go backwards. Nature alone cures. What nursing has to do is to put the patient in the best condition for nature to act upon him. Our first journey is to find that special place for us. How very little can be done under the spirit of fear. A human being does not cease to exist at death. It is change, not destruction, which takes place. She said the object and color in the materials around us actually have a physical effect on us, on how we feel. I think one's feelings waste themselves in words. They ought all to be distilled into actions which bring results. The greatest heroes are those who do their duty in the daily grind of domestic affairs whilst the world whirls as a maddening dreidel. Why do people sit up so late, or, more rarely, get up so early? Not because the day is not long enough, but because they have no time in the day to themselves. The world is put back by the death of everyone who has to sacrifice the development of his or her peculiar gifts to conventionality. Let us never consider ourselves finished nurses. We must be learning all of our lives. Never dispute with anybody who wishes to contradict you, says a most reasonable saint. For even if you were victorious, yours if's the loss. Never give nor take an excuse.